Hey guys, so today I wanted to try doing the new Foxy eye makeup trend that we've been seeing a lot here on YouTube and Instagram. It's basically just where you have a blown out cat eye. It gives you that lifted eye effect. I am going to be using some makeup from the brand by Yelena Hernandez. I don't know if I said that name right. I'm really bad at saying names. I butcher them all the time. This is the Diamond Babe eyeshadow palette. First of all, this packaging. Hold on, I have to show you what it looks like in the box. So you open up this packaging right here, and inside we have the Diamond Babe eyeshadow palette. We have such a beautiful selection of colors. It's very bright and summery, very tropical, but then you still have your very neutral everyday eyeshadow colors. I haven't used this yet. I have swatched the colors, so I know they're very pigmented and creamy, and these glitter toppers are just insanely beautiful. So in this palette you get a row of glitter shadow toppers. You have a row of matte eyeshadows, a couple mattes right here, and then right here we have the metallics. I'm really excited to try this pink out and this black shade. I am going to be trying some new eyelashes from this brand too, which I'm really excited to try these out. They're very wispy and dramatic. I'm going to leave the Instagram and products from this brand linked down below in case you want to look into them yourself. And I'm going to show you swatches of each of these eyeshadows before I get into the video, just so you guys can see how pigmented and intense these eyeshadows are. Before we get into the video, I just want to say hello to those of you who are new, if you're new dropping by to watch this video. I love doing makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos, so if you enjoy content like that, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to get to know you. So before I get into this video, I'm going to show you the swatches and I will be right back. Still using my favorite foundation combination from Colourpop and Nars. Still doing it. Can't get enough of it. One pump of each. I like to go very light on the foundation because I'm just looking to get a nice even skin tone. This ends up happening every time. I end up having so much left over on my hand. And then I'm going to use my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer just to get a little bit of brightness underneath my eyes. And I like to use it to prep my eyes for eyeshadow too. And then go into my Brighten Up powder by Essence. Just grab a little bit onto my sponge and just set that in place right away. And then I like to go right into my cream products. I'm going to use my Chanel cream bronzer. I'm still sticking to my cream products. I just prefer them in the summer. I feel like they last a little bit longer on my skin. Then I go right into my blush. I use my Fenty Beauty Chili Mango Cream Blush. I do go a bit higher on the cheeks with this. And then I like to go ahead and go in and set everything, just because it just lasts a little bit longer on me if I do. So I use my Milk Makeup Blur and Set Powder. Why, but I just like getting my base done before I do my eyeshadow. I know that doesn't work for most people, but for some reason it works okay for me. I'm gonna go on top of that bronzer just really quick, very lightly with my Morphe Glamour Bronze, just to make sure that none of that got lost. I like to drag this onto my neck just to make sure that everything matches. I'm going to start with Sugar Mama just to get a nice crease, and then I'll definitely get a little bit darker. I'm going to focus it on the outer edge of the eye. I'm going to be just a little bit more messy because I'm not being too precise just yet. So I just kind of focus that color on the outer edge, and then I'm taking a smaller brush and going into this shade Naughty. And I'm going to focus that on the outer edge. I've already done just a little bit on this side. They're very pigmented, but they're really, really easy to blend out. I'm gonna take this black, and instead of using liquid eyeliner on this portion of my eye, I'm gonna focus it on the outer edge. Just taking a square brush, and I'm gonna take that jet black and just lightly line the outer portion of my eyelid. Wow, it really does give the illusion of lifted eyes. I have my Benefit Roller Lash, one of my favorite liquid eyeliners. I'm not going to go into the inner corner of my eye. I want to keep that very light. I'm going to focus it from the middle to the outer edge. And curl my eyelashes first before I get into my inner corner with the blush shade. I'm going to use these eyelash curlers that I got from this same makeup brand. I actually needed a new pair, so I was really thankful that they sent me some. I'm using my Grand Drama mascara. See, like, honestly, I really wouldn't need to put eyelashes on, but just for today, just for fun, I'm gonna do it. I really like these eyelash curlers, by the way. They really lifted up my eyelashes. Maybe I just needed a new one. I feel like I have to put the mascara on before I finish up the eye look. It just helps me get the placement just right with the eyeliner. So I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this really pretty coral shade. I guess it's more of a salmon color in Crave. And I'm just going to put that into my inner corner just to add a pop of color. I just want to try as many colors as I can. Ooh, I'm liking it. So next I'm going to take this brush. It's very, very pointed. This is from Makeup Forever. And I'm going to go into Bobby Brown. This is turning out to be very, very dramatic, I know. And I'm going to do a downward flick. So this is coming out. So down here, I'm going to make it come down. Two lashes that we can try out. I think I might go for Angel because they're very wispy and dramatic. I might end up just cutting them in half and focusing the eyelashes on the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna have to trim those eyelashes, so I'm gonna use this little eyelash trimmer. Let's see. I think that will be perfect. So they did send me some eyelash glue, so I'm going to try this too. Ooh, so pretty. I love all this gold. It's a nice thin tip, so I'm just going to brush eyelashes with it. One side done. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So far I'm really liking this lash glue too. Typically I just go for magnetic eyelashes these days, but I get a nice pair of lashes and good glue. It really does make a difference. Fix the eyeliner just a little bit on this outer edge. I feel like the eyeliner wasn't exactly perfect today, but when is it perfect? I feel like this is much more dramatic than I was planning to go for, but it happened. But let me finish my makeup really quick. I'm going to do my highlighter on my cheekbones. I'm just using my Becca Jaclyn Hill highlights. I mean, may as well go all out. I'm going to line my lips first with this gel liner, and then I'm just going to go in with this very nude lip gloss from Bite Beauty. definitely do get that lifted look. It's almost not as dramatic as what I've been seeing a lot recently. Love this eyeshadow palette. I definitely want to create some very colorful eyeshadow looks, and then I really like these eyelashes. Like, they are really pretty. Definitely the type of eyelash that I go for. Usually my eye looks never turn out how I expect them to, so I like it. I feel like I should have gotten the color inside my inner corners just a little bit more precise. I feel like it's just a little bit too diffused, but oh well. Third attempt at trying the Foxy Eye, and I feel like I did okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked creating this Foxy Eye makeup look for you. I just like sitting down and doing very chill, chitty, chatty videos like these. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed these new makeup products that I tested out. I really like them. I will leave them down below for you, and I will see you very soon in a fashion video. Bye.